Hello guys. Oh no. Oh, sorry. Let me start again. So what's up guys? We are here with another video of our channel. So sit down and enjoy. So in this video we will talk about typical things in a typical family in Spain. Oh no. So now we will talk about 4 typical celebrations in Catalonia. Birthdays, a day when you celebrate that you haven't already died and you spend time with your family. One night when all people can throw hundreds and hundreds of firecrafts and you enjoy with friends and family. In Catalonia, it's too typical to make human towers, which I found very dangerous, but it looks great. Party that celebrates the years of a city, a neighborhood, or whatever. The most important thing is to have fun with family or friends. In Spain, it's typical to be around 4 people, which are parents and kids, but it all depends on the family. For example, in my family we are 5, which are my mom, my dad, my sister, and my twin brother. And in extended family in Spain, for example, in my family we are a lot. We are 20, but we don't meet all together. So in Spain is minimum 10 or 15 people. Omelette, which is made with potatoes and eggs. Paella, which have rice, prawns, bell pepper, green beans and chicken. Iberian ham with cheese, which is a very typical first dish. I just wanna say that it depends, but in my opinion, spend time with family is good, but spend time with your friends is more funny and it's a time to be happy and enjoy doing nothing. Guys, that's it. I wish you had enjoyed this video and give me your follow and like. Bye bye. Well, wait, there's a post-credit image.